Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are doing fine. So today we'll see how to make sardines tangy gravy. Soak lemon-sized tamarind in hot water for about 10 minutes. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a kadai. Clean and degut the sardines as shown and wash twice with rock salt and keep aside. I have taken half kg of that. Once the oil is heated, add chopped 2 onions and 6 slick green chilies. Add enough salt to taste and fry until the onions turn to translucent. Sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and they are very healthy. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and fry until the raw smell disappears. Add few curry leaves and fry along with the onions. Now add the soaked tamarind water. Now add the tamarind extract. This is the first extract. Now add the second extract. Add 2 spoons of coriander powder and quarter spoon of cumin powder. Add 4 spoons of red chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix well and let it come to a boil. Add 1 spoon of jaggery powder. Let it come to a boil. It will take about 2 minutes. Now add the cleaned sardines. Do not use any spatula. Just shake the vessel as shown. Cover and cook on a low flame for about 15 minutes. After every 5 minutes, open and shake the vessel as shown. After another 5 minutes, you can see the fish is almost done. Now after 15 minutes, you can see the gravy has reduced and oil is already floating on the gravy. This is a symbol that gravy is ready to serve. Switch off the flame and sprinkle few coriander leaves and serve hot with steaming rice. It goes very well with steamed white rice. Do try my recipes and let me know in my comment section below. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon given below to get my further notifications. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.